Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video we'll show you how to make your iPhone screen black and white. So to do this, first open the settings app. Here scroll down and tap on accessibility. In this menu tap on display and text size. Now scroll down and tap on color filters. In this menu enable this color filters toggle. Now select the grayscale option and your phone screen should turn black and white. If you want a quicker way to do this, you can also add a color filter shortcut in the control center. Press this plus icon. Now tap on add a control. Now search for filters. You will see this color filters icon. Just go ahead and tap on it. Once it is added, you can just simply tap on this shortcut to make your iPhone screen black and white. If you have any questions about this, feel free to ask them in the comments below.